The break corner feature is used to fillet or chamfer sharp corners of a sheet metal part. To activate the feature, click on the break corner icon on the sheet metal toolbar. In the Property Manager, I'm prompted to select the corners I wish to break. As I move the pointer over the part, notice only two types of entities are highlighting. The Close Corner feature activates a filter that will only let me select the small edges of external corners, or faces. If I select a face, any external corners will be selected. In addition, if I window select the entire part or a portion of the part, only corners will be selected. In addition to selecting corners, you have the option of selecting either chamfers or fillets in the Property Manager. Depending on which option you select, you will enter a fillet radius or chamfer dimension to use. I'll click OK, and you can see the sharp corners are gone. If you're wondering why you wouldn't use a regular chamfer or fillet instead of the break corner feature, it's really just a matter of convenience. The break corner feature makes it easy to select external corners by using a filter, as you saw earlier.